Hello there and welcome to another amazing tutorial, and in this video I will be going over how to log into TikTok with QR code in 2024. And if that sounds about right, then let's head right in. Alright, so first thing you want to do is to go over to tiktok.com. You can do this by going to your browser and typing TikTok logging or just TikTok, or whichever sounds better to you, and just scroll down until you find where it says logging right here. Do make sure it's tiktok.com. Alright, so when you do click on it, you can go over to this page. Of course, this is the page you will be redirected to, and what you're looking for is this one here written use QR code. And well, all you have to do is click on it and it should take you to a page where you can use your QR code from your mobile device to scan. And I'll just try to log in with my account just so you see how it works. Alright, so you can log in by going into your account. So when you go into your TikTok account, all you have to do is to click on profile at the bottom right corner. Click on profile right there. It's bold, it's written in bold. That should take you to your profile page where you can see a lot of things about your profile. What you need to do next after that is click on the top right corner right there, and a little menu should appear at the bottom. It will be written creator tools, my QR code, and settings and privacy, and what you're looking for is my QR code. So if you click on it, you should be able to see your QR code, which of course others can scan to follow you, but what you're looking for is at the top right corner of your screen. And if you do that, you should be able to scan the QR code. Alright, so QR code scanned successfully, and a prompt, you should be prompted on your device to confirm this. You can click confirm. So once you click confirm, you should be logged in successfully. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. It's not really as difficult as it may sound or seem. And if you had issues, you can go over the video again. I tried my best to make this quite explanatory. I would have shown you my device, but I just believe this is enough. I'm trying so hard not to make this video really long. So yeah, that's it. If this video helped you, do well to leave a like on the video, and of course subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in another video.